Here we go, lights out second box of Retro. Let the poor guy sleep. See, and then Coffee's going to be here. He's going to see me tomorrow. I'm going to be all like jacked and ready to go. And he's going to be like, holy moly. I literally saw you on blog at like 2:30 in the morning. We have a Metal Universe of Ray Bork and a Steven Stamkos Ultra. We have an EX of Carey Price and a Sidney Crosby Ultra. Woo, I love those cards. We have a Hot Shots of Theoren Fleury. Hot Shots, Theoren Fleury. I love those cards. We have an Autographics of Tommy Wingels. We have an Autographics rookie sensation of Mark Stone. Woohoo! We have a PMG Blue number 250 Dominic Hasek. PMG Blue Dominic Hasek. We have a Rookie Sensations autograph, Jake Allen. Jake Allen. We have a Flair Showcase of Ryan Nugent-Hopkins and a Claude Giroux Ultra. We have a Flair Showcase of Evgeny Malkin and Martin Brodeur. We have a Saka Koivu Metal Universe and a Ryan Nugent-Hopkins Ultra. Lights out, I feel bad I'm not getting you one Bobby Orr. I'm getting you good stuff, but I want to get you a Bobby Orr. That is my goal tonight. Ooh, this could be really good. Come on down. Number 29 of 40. Essential Credentials Future. Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. 29 of 40. That's a pretty card. You have a Skybox Authentics Kevin Shattenkirk autograph. You have a Flair Showcase of Anze Kopitar. And a Patrick Kane Ultra. Well, we can make a verbal deal on it, Coffee. Teemu Selanne Flair Showcase. And an Alexander Burmistrov Ultra. I'm not too worried about that. But see, hopefully, Coffee, at least you got a different perspective of how we work and everything now. We have a Jeff Skinner EX. And a Patrick Kane Ultra. And sometimes a couple extra hours makes a world of a difference in your mind, and that's all that matters to me. Wow, you dominated this one. Number to 100... Precious Metal Gems, Patrick Kane. Patrick Kane, PMG, numbered to 100. 2 PMGs, an EX out of 40. It's only getting better. A autographics of Ryan Ellis. An Metal Universe of Evgeny Malkin. And an Ultra of Ryan Miller. We have a Metal Universe of Eric Lindros. And a Jonathan Toews Ultra. And we finish off with a Skybox autograph of Greg Nemish.